again to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you all how to get a celebrity look by just proper contour and highlight and bringing in proper shadows into your face. So we all have wondered, like looking at celebrities when they walk the red carpet and for film fairs and all the stuff, they look like picture perfect with a proper jawline and proper contour. So I wondered, how do they get all those looks? So after a lot of trials and errors, I achieved a perfect contour and a perfect highlight on my face. So if you guys want to know how to do a proper contouring and highlight, you have to just stay tuned and see what's going on. So now I have only my foundation on my face. I've primed as well as I've just applied my foundation. So now after this, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to highlight as well as contour my face. So for highlighting your face, the first rule is the foundation should be exactly your skin tone. It should not be lighter than your skin tone or it should not be darker than your skin tone. So exactly your skin tone. It should match your skin tone. That's really very important when it comes to highlighting and contouring your face. And the second important thing is the highlight should be like 2 or 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. Only then when you blend, your face will give you the proper shades, the proper shadows, the proper angles, and you look more pretty. Like you would have wondered after seeing a lot of heroines and actresses, how do they have that beautiful jawline? How do they have that beautiful contour on your face? It's all because they have contoured their face. It's not like naturally after applying only the foundation it gives that. You have to contour and you have to do highlighting and stuff in order to gain a celebrity look. So after watching this video, you all will really understand the importance of highlighting and contouring your face. So take your highlighter and just see what I'm doing. I am taking this as a point and then my nose tip here, I'm just drawing a line like this, and then the thing here, just keep a point here and connect this and connect this. You can see a triangle here and fill in, just fill in all this. Okay, the same thing here, a point here, a point here, and a point here, and connect all these points. Okay, so this is a very important portion of your face, and your eyes, and it should look like more lifted and more pretty. So this portion is really very important. And the next thing is, you have to make your nose. If you do not have a very sharp nose like me, a little blunt nose, or even a normal sharp nose also, if you want to make your nose look more sharper, then draw a straight line down the bridge of your nose like this. Okay? And then the cupid's bow, like this. And now a line like this. A small triangle here. Okay, and you can see, just make a point here and a point here and just connect this here. A point here and the middle of your ears and connect exactly here in the middle of your ears. It should connect like this down. Okay, I'll tell you again, point here and exactly in the middle and just do this here. And the forehead part, just 3 lines or 4 lines like this. So this is how you have to highlight your face. So it might look really funny now, but after you are doing all the blending portion, it look really nice. And then the next thing is contouring. For contouring, I'm going to use a darker shade than my skin tone. I'm going to use this shade here. And contouring is really easy. You have to just draw like few lines The first thing is here. Okay, your jawline. Make your jawline more prominent, like this. And then here, you can see your eyebrows, right? There is the middle, like your eyebrows is like an arc, and like this here, like this. And now your hairline. Usually the contouring has to be like a C, like this. Okay, so like this in the sense, so you have to draw a line here also. For that, what I do is, there's a small area, I'll just make this as a triangle here. And the same, I'll make a triangle this side. Okay, and then on my nose area here. So it's just like filling all the gaps wherever you left without highlighting. Just try to fill in it with a contour. But be very particular about this line here and this line here. So this is how your face will look after you have highlighted and contoured. Now the blending part comes, the most important and the most crucial part. So you have to be very careful about blending. So just blend it like this in the upward motion. Just puff it a little here. Just push this inside. Do not rub your face as you do all the time. Just like, you know, press it inside. Press the product properly inside. That's really important. So this is how your face will look after you have just like, you know, contoured it. Contoured and highlighted it. After this, what you have to do is you have to use a proper setting powder, like a darker shade for this and a lighter shade for this, in order to make it look more enhanced and more beautiful. So I'm using a lighter shade powder here. Just blend it really well. It should be like a second layer in your face. It shouldn't be like you've applied a lot of makeup. So this is how your face looks, and after completing the entire makeup, I'll show you how my face looks, so that you'll be able to find the difference as well as the importance of contouring your face, contouring and highlighting your face with the proper shadows. Voila! It's all done! So hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I hope this video was extremely useful to you all. So do not forget to share this video with your friends, and do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is Krish signing out. Bye bye with lots of love.